Good afternoon, this is Mark. You guys requested for me to show you the video of the proof that this is not working. Okay, this is a little speaker I've hooked up, so in case any like errors or anything, this will beep. This is just like a very messy test bench, but it still works. I've got the 24 pin in, got the CPU collar and the CPU header, whatever it's called, and we've got the power going to the motherboard. We've got this connected through DisplayPort. Even tried HDMI as well. Internet's on, obviously. They can be bent up, whatever. Keyboard and mouse plugged in. That's the NVMe down there. And now I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna show a little light. 1 second. Now I'm gonna touch these two. Okay, so they turn on. So it's on. And no debug indicator, no beep, and also nothing, no signal, doesn't post, doesn't do anything. So it stays like that for around 30 seconds and then it just powers off. Watch, that's it. It powers off and it goes in a loop. So I'll start up again, do the same thing, no debugging indicator, no beep. Everything seems to be on, but no post, nothing. So yeah, at the start it was posting for like a few hours and then it just stopped working at all after that. So yeah, these are all brand new parts, brand new RAM set, brand new CPU, and this video card has been tested. Every single one of these components have been tested. As you can see, it's looping again. So yep, that's all I can say. I mean, it's very unusual, but like, I don't know, man. That's all I got to show you, man.